Labrador puppies are bundles of energy. These playful pups grow fast and need the right food. Mush is a great choice. It's a special food for puppies when they are still nursing and transitioning to solid foods. We call it mush because it has a soft, mushy texture that's easy for small puppies to eat. Think of mush as a supercharge for your Labrador puppy. It has everything they need to grow big and strong. This includes lots of calories, protein, and essential nutrients. Regular puppy food is great, but sometimes you need a little extra help. Mush is especially helpful for puppies who are having trouble transitioning to solid food, not gaining enough weight, or recovering from illness. Making mush for your Labrador puppy is easier than you think. You only need a few simple ingredients that you can find at your local grocery store. Here is a basic recipe for Labrador puppy mush. Dry puppy food is the foundation of our mush. Choose a high-quality brand specifically formulated for large breed puppies. Warm water will be used to soften the kibbles and create a mushy texture. A dollop of plain yogurt adds probiotics for healthy digestion. Make sure it is unsweetened and plain. Pumpkin is a good source of fiber and helps with digestion too. Choose plain canned pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. These are just the basic ingredients. Once you get the hang of it, you can add other healthy additions. For example, you can add a teaspoon of pureed cooked chicken or sweet potato. Remember, every puppy is different. Consult your veterinarian for the best ingredients and quantities for your Labrador puppy. Let's get to the fun part, making the mush. Follow these simple steps and your Labrador puppy will have a delicious and nutritious meal in no time. Step 1. In a bowl, measure out the desired amount of dry puppy food. Remember that a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and adjust as needed. Step 2. Gradually add warm water to the dry food, stirring constantly. The goal is to create a mushy consistency. Don't add too much water at once or it will become watery. Step 3. Mix in a dollop of plain yogurt and a spoonful of plain canned pumpkin. These ingredients add flavor and provide extra nutrients. Step 4. Let the mush sit for a few minutes to allow the kibble to soften completely. You want it to be easy for your puppy to eat and digest. Step 5. Serve the mush to your Labrador puppy in a clean bowl. Make sure the mush is at room temperature, not too hot or cold. And that's it. You've successfully made nutritious and delicious mush for your Labrador puppy. Section 4. Mush Magic Tips for a Tasty and Tempting Bowl. Puppies can be picky eaters, especially when transitioning to new foods. Here are some tips to make the mush more appealing to your Labrador puppy. Temperature is key. Make sure the mush is lukewarm, not too hot or cold. Test it on your wrist just like you would with a baby's bottle. Consistency is crucial. The mush should be smooth and easy to swallow. If it's too thick, add a bit more water. If it's too runny, add a bit more dry food. Gradual introduction. Don't overwhelm your puppy with a full bowl of mush right away. Start with a small amount alongside their usual food. Clean bowl, every time. Just like us, puppies appreciate a clean dish. Wash their bowl after every meal to prevent bacteria growth. Remember, patience is key. It may take a few tries for your puppy to accept the new food. Don't give up. The benefits of mush are worth the effort. Section 5. Mush Benefits. Growing a strong and happy Labrador. Feeding your Labrador puppy mush comes with many benefits. It's not just about transitioning to solid food, it's about giving them the best start in life. Easy digestion. The soft texture of mush is gentle on your puppy's developing digestive system. It's easier to digest than dry kibble, especially for young puppies. Increased hydration. Mush adds extra moisture to your puppy's diet, which is crucial for staying hydrated. This is especially important for puppies who are very active or live in warm climates. Weight management. Mush can be helpful for puppies who are underweight or need to gain weight. It is calorie-dense and packed with nutrients, helping them grow at a healthy rate. Remember, mush is a temporary solution. As your Labrador puppy grows, they'll need to transition to a complete and balanced diet of dry puppy food. Section 6. Troubleshooting your mush. Addressing common concerns. You might encounter a few bumps along the road when introducing mush to your Labrador puppy. Here are some common concerns and how to address them. Diarrhea. If your puppy experiences diarrhea, you may be adding too much water to the mush, or the puppy might be getting too much of it. Try a thicker consistency and reduce the amount. Constipation. Conversely, if the mush is too thick, it can lead to constipation. Add a little more water and ensure your puppy is drinking enough water throughout the day. Refusal to eat. Some puppies are hesitant to try new foods. Try warming the mush slightly or adding a dollop of plain yogurt to make it more enticing. If you're concerned about your puppy's health, or if they continue to have trouble eating, consult your veterinarian. They can provide personalized advice and rule out any underlying medical conditions. Section 7. Mush and beyond. Transitioning to adult food. As your Labrador puppy grows, they'll eventually need to transition from mush to solid food. This usually happens around 8 to 12 weeks of age, but every puppy is different. Start by gradually decreasing the amount of water you add to the mush, making it thicker. Then, mix in a few kibbles of their regular dry puppy food. Slowly increase the ratio of dry food to mush over the course of several days. Observe your puppy closely during the transition. If they have any digestive issues or refuse to eat, revert to a mushier consistency and try again more gradually. Remember, patience and consistency are key. With a little time and effort, you can successfully transition your Labrador puppy from mush to a healthy diet of solid food, setting them up for a long and happy life.